Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on Android. You can set up parental controls on Android through both the Google Family Link app and Google Play Store app. For children 13 and below, you can create Google accounts using either the Android or iOS version of the installed app. Here are the steps you need to take in this video. So first, open the Google Play app. Tap the profile icon. Depending on your device, the layout of the homepage may differ. However, you are more than likely to have your profile picture shown in the search bar. Tap on it and select Settings. Then, tap Family and tap Parental Controls. After selecting the Settings option, you should be able to see a list of other options. Expand the one that says Family by tapping on the arrow on the right. The expanded section lets you see all available options, including your Android parental control status. Turn on Parental Controls. To adjust the parental control settings, parental controls need to be turned on. To do so, simply hit the button at the top right. Then set up protection for your parental controls. You need to ensure that the parental controls features are only controlled by you and that your kids can't simply switch it off. So, naturally, you need to create the PIN. Make sure you don't forget the PIN as you can't turn off parental controls without entering it. Then select the type of content you want to filter. Now that you have set up parental control and created a security PIN for parental control settings, it's time to get down to business, filtering content your kids have access to. Then, tap on the kind of content you want to restrict. In this case, we'll be setting restrictions for just the apps and games category. And choose how to filter or restrict access. Google has a simple limit system. All you have to do is pick the appropriate age, and the parental control system will handle the rest, depending on your geographical location. Ensuring your child's internet safety is a difficult but important task. That said, you can't monitor their daily screen time around the clock, and there is no perfect system to keep their eyes away from potential harmful content. However, with the proper steps and a helping hand from Google's parental controls, your kids are guaranteed a safe online experience. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.